Mutumia hujagia handu akiuga vile mtoto amelewa kurewa akiro ni kulelewa.
Kulewa ni kulepa.
Vile ameleafio. You see,
amekuafio.
Yes. You see, we are from the last generation where we had departmental fathers.
The departmental.
Yes, there was a very heavy bureaucracy to access you. It was like a state department. There were very rare chances of you getting direct access without going through the bureaucratic system. No, one, they were no nonsense, unapproachable on some issues, and most of what you used to have with them is sign language, and they were very dominant. And the territorial. Yes. The millennials, materially accessible.
No, not very.
Not very. But there are those of us who had fathers who at and they used to have a very structured way of drinking. Yes. They were no habitual drunks back then.
It
was very rare.
Very rare.
Yes.
Extremely rare.
Extremely rare. Juicy. Yes. And you could even tell the waka knew. Yes. Yes. Exactly. Yes. Ona maitoguori ni ararageria maundu mamu akimenyaga muthenya uria anyua ni ahingukaga a side of him that is never open to the public. Na thuri atera ni maina aburi tia thiko iciona mundu anyua gakira. Oga keina okaigwa nginya itura nere amenya mundu ucio sawa. Yes. Na ni mwamenya gathoguo areva. Wakorwo wena ifata ria kuhingirio, especially something like Sharia. That is the time to strike. Yes. Mwaigwa kitana varagwa. Kione. Ore oranya marika we. Mwero wagoroi au siota kinyaga. Kwaje muki gweina rwimbo rumwe rwa Jim Reeves. Oh, do you know I am well like you. Heaven is my home, oh, what did I do? Heaven's become me. Heaven open to and I can't be the home in this world anymore. Ukamoka iwa aria na ngui hauja. Asikuire ginya kanyamu. Yes. And you know fathers back then makudali. You know basi muno tene cia ndithago nacio fari fari. Oka nacio fari fari. Yes. Uka iwa aria me kumumagaletie mamura. Ni ogwo ithe wa njoru. Ukamenya ni umana outriders.
Ni umana security.
Ya gutigira kiondo ne giaka atia.
Kiondo ne giaki nyamuci.
Kawa sawa. Na mwathi na rege mugore. Yes, guwete tagathanga.
Bathi ya gathanga.
Na ni aru magadu. Inde ihuraga.
Gathanga de ihuraga.
Yes, gathanga success. Ao karu nyumba. Akaba kamuka kindu gito head count. Eko my brother. Ruta muta mali twa mani. Okawa.
Awali ndike kiria tuete ithe.
Yes. My two, come here.
Mother.
Come here, mother. Soni wa goro wa ide mutumia. Now my brother, Oka, come here. A wonderful paper. Yes. Eko mwaka yanyu. Very rare occasions. Yeah. Some of the things he's clueless.
No, they had a kumuhee tiriri.
Very good. Hey.
Wana nwane keirwo good.
Mwana hakiri theri.
Na ithe.
Very good. Rere akumatha. Hari kia corona progress yanyu ya academics. Acoka akamuhe kindu gitagwo an esteem dress down. Yes. An esteem class. Akamuhe kindu gitagwo motivation theory. Akamwana raini hau akaruta mbeca muhuko. Hindi yo noti cia Jirongo niguo ciauma.
Magana matano.
Ndio wa Gen Z Jirongo niki?
Ni magana matano.
Akane mundu matano make. Munyite mumenyane na ki?
Awa no kwambia.
Nyita. Yes. Nyita na moko mere yo ne Jirongo.
Na mukagirwo na guoko kwolio.
Yes, please. Dio, nyita iguru gwa. Nare koro mundu rabise gukutia gutuku. Nyita matha. Ukasoni wa we wa goro. My brother, ona nyita. Icio tisianyu ne cia display. He wants to see his wealth from the third eye.
Na Jirongo njeru.
Yes.
They are going to come from the other side.
Maito gwa koria. Neki ogire ciana uo. Ndwenda andu magikena we kwenda sana. Wana no uthie aya ni wabata guku. At that point, yuko akamubekon. Mundu wina any grievance, financial,
ifata.
Table it now or wait for the next episode. The next fiscal year. Baba, yes, mother, yes. Wajeru igwa gucokerio. Baba, mwarimu nera ugete rucio tugathine mundu ciringi baoni.
Nebia ciake na hici mwarimu aturagetagia.
Andasa ni kurathiu riri. Kurathiu wa Mbogo farm.
Weka atia.
Guthomo horo wa urimi. Ocio, that's very progressive. It's very progressive. Nyita. Digenda wage gutuika mukulima shupafu. Hemordo giwe na ifata. Apa kira tu yakwa nikiriga guthira ai. Ria turathiete sore. Ndahoete gia sege. Kiumaga cia nyina wa masi. Mara matano. Icio tirato igire.
Akaigua budget yo ni inflated.
We nyukwa nake ni arekira riri. Agent fee.
Na budgeted corruption.
Akaruta mere akaua. Mwevere kia mwana mere. Ciana ciakwa citige ikarata citarĩ ithe. Yes. Anybody else? There's always that sibling who always wanted to look very non-stubborn. Akorio wekara jahe kidureda. Asa goti de vava. Kingorio kagora thwiti. Yeah. No mwaka mumaya, your father is a government officer.
Arutaga kari.
Arutaga kari. Ase ha mete kuya. Kahende yori. Ni akuire chufa ici.
Inya.
Cia kubwa.
GK.
Yes. Kauga mother. Ndutiragira thiere yakwa. There was always one glass. Na ndianyua kindu gigitigo njohi yake.
Ne hamuthe.
Akamekira. Kauga maya methago mai makire-ini.
Kwanja riu agicoka atumane na thiini.
Yes.
Radio cassette yuke.
Dio. Tekira muthini wa Ngai. Kana mweherio kuguthiri thiini. Ekira wesumu.
Kana Kamaru.
Kira Kamaru. Ane, ogwa. Alo akira mamigo. Wanyina masi. Nina wa masi. Ukana gugu. Oka kodroko. Nokore irio cia kuria. Da, ya di kuria getheri. Ke uno mwikirie gugu nao. Amboke. Ndienda kuigua kinjira horo anainai ati mbeca cia irio. Wambo ikae na magana mau.
Matano.
Ici nacio ri. Zikiri ciakwa. Ici ciakwa. Ngurona muno na maego momu. Hau amwe itu twacamire mucingo wa njohi hau. Oka Eliodi.
Umereirie magego.
Oka irio ni my brother. Fugua kama simba. Kabia. Naona gisubari ugaikera urimi. That is how some of us became alcoholics. That was this is a very rare occurrence. An episode occurs after 300 years. Kaondoka wako na wikaragite muno.
Othio ti undu wecokagira maingi. No.
Na rucini ni wona ena matara ni ukora ni araigua kumucokera. But his pride. He's the alpha male. Dagiugoku.
Danyita mbeca menye mbeca.
Yes, nyita wega.
Nyita menye mbeca.
Nona isore to agasogoma. Moi.
Acoka kakura rehe. Icio nyitagwo ni mundu athoma.
Mundu athoma aja gwithukumira. Icio pana ya kupeo bure. Ya. Ya.
Akamuonia nginya ibuku ria bengi.
Mwana ni mwana. Ino retagwo ibuku ria bengi ni muigwa kinirwo. First bank ni majui. Bengi ya Bovita. Never mind that money he's talking about will not even go 10 days. But he would have 10 days of bliss. Yes.
Namukamenya nwe mwene kuu.
Natagianyuye anyue muthenya uyu. Githema discipline.
Like 42.
The good old days, I tell you.